Okay, so here is the printout of the screenshot you sent me, and we've got this lumber company, and we've got all this information here, and I'm just going to work this. Let's see, on one we did before. So this is the problem that I sent you right here yesterday, and then I'm just going to take it and so we start with this. We need the units to account for, just like we did here. So we start with the beginning inventory is 3,000. And then we started in May is 14,000. And that adds up to 17,000, which they already gave you right here. Okay, then we come down here and we know the ending, the units to account for. We can label that. We know that's 17,000, the units to account for. And then we have the ending inventory, or I did transferred out up here. It doesn't really matter. Transferred out. Now in this one, they give you the setup for if it's FIFO, but you don't use that. That's just excess information. So we just add these two together, the units transferred out. So that's 11,400. And then the units in ending inventory is 5,600. And so we've got that. Now we have materials and conversion. All right. So we know if it's transferred out that they're 100% complete for both. So that's 11,400, 11,400 there. And then in ending inventory, we're told that the materials are 100% complete. So that means all the materials are added at the beginning of the process. So we just take 100% of 5,600. And that'll give us 17,000 equivalent units. And then on this one, we're just going to take 50% of 5,600. That's 2,800. And that will be 14,200. So we have 17,000 equivalent units for materials and 14,200 equivalent units for conversion. So it's the exact same thing that we did before up there. And then the requirement 2 asks us to go on and get the cost per equivalent unit. So we come back over here and we have it divided between direct materials and conversion. So our beginning inventory, direct materials, was 47,640, and our additional direct materials was 217,560. 560. And add those two together. $265,200. So that's our total cost for materials this period. That's beginning inventory plus the additional amount. And then for conversion, we had work in process or beginning inventory, 116,202. And then we added 255,270. Add those together. And we get 371, 472. Let me move this down just a hair. All right, so now to get the cost per equivalent unit, this is our equivalent units, this is our cost. So we just divide and divide this cost by this equivalent unit. Since I've already got this in the calculator, we'll do that one first. So that'll be $26.16 per equivalent unit. This one. Divide $15.60 per equivalent unit. So yeah, they're the same basic setup on that.